So, as you may have seen from many different places from around the internet, how amazing affiliate marketing is, and how much money everyone seems to make from it. TikTok seems to be a prime example of this, where a lot of accounts and gurus regurgitate a lot of knowledge without any real experience to back it up. But we try to do things a little differently here, as we want to create an honest and transparent community of real people. So today we're going to take you through our real experiences in affiliate marketing, and why it's not quite what the rest of the internet makes it out to be. Firstly, we'll preface this with who we are and what we've done. Bridging Online is a channel of two friends. So there's me, Andrew, and there's Joe, who works behind the scenes. And so between the both of us, we have around 10 years of experience. Some of this is full-time working on our own affiliate sites. Some of this is part-time, and then some of this was just experimental time where we didn't know what we were doing, but we tried a lot. All in all, we've made hundreds of thousands of dollars from doing this, as you can see in one of our videos about selling one of these websites. Some of this has been done together and some of this has been solo, but at the moment this isn't either of ours full-time job. This amounts to extended side projects with a couple of websites that are bringing in some nice passive income to top us up each month. So that is us. Definitely not alleged multi-millionaire gurus, but what we think can represent a realistic outcome for what people can expect if they want to start affiliate marketing solo or with a friend or two, and you don't mind putting in the work. We recently did a video of 7 pros and cons of affiliate marketing, and this video will build upon some of those points we made. So it is worth giving that video a watch as well when you get the chance. Anyway, I think that the most important part of all of this, and the part that is never really expanded upon as well as it should be, is about content. What we mean is it all comes down to the content you are making and the audience you have. If you have great quality content with an engaged audience, then affiliate marketing is the best thing in the world. It can be a genuine source of passive income where you don't have to directly trade time for money. It's super scalable and it gives you enough control to be your own boss. It has no overhead, so you don't need to worry about stock or inventory. Just send your viewers to another website and reap the awards. Gaining that audience, however, is by far the hardest part. And then making sure that they trust you, well, that would be the second hardest part. The audience can be anything here. It could be a website that ranks great in Google. It could be a social media following or a YouTube channel. You might even be an indie author and your following comes from your book sales, but you have a website affiliate links. You could even be a mortgage broker and you refer people to credit checking websites through emails with your clients. Whatever it may be, you need that audience to trust you. This doesn't have to be exactly what a $1,200 course recommends as the best way. You just have to put your marketer's cap on and get creative to find the best way to find your audience. Once you have that, then it's pretty easy and really effective. So one of the best books that we've read on this subject is The Millionaire Fastlane by M.J. DeMarco. Despite what we think is a pretty average, almost clickbaity title, the content itself is fantastic. His rules to a successful online business can be summarized by the acronym NEXT. NECST, which he later changed in his second book to Sense, but the content was still the same. This states that in a business that can give you financial freedom, there should be a need. This makes sense on a business level, but does affiliate marketing do that? Not really. The need may come from you providing quality, helpful content when discussing and reviewing the product. But at the end of the day, you're just a third-party member that isn't really necessary when you become an affiliate marketer. Entry. So this states there shouldn't be a small barrier to entry. And with affiliate marketing, there is absolutely a small barrier to entry. It is super easy for anyone to start doing this. And we think that this is both a good and a bad thing. It's super easy to start, which can definitely lead to a bit of saturation and high competition. But of all the people that start, not many actually stick with it. So your actual competition is a lot lower than you'd first expect. Control. This is another double-edged sword. You have enough control here to make it your full-time job if you'd want to. You can easily work for yourself and from anywhere in the world. But at the end of the day, you are at the mercy of the companies you are promoting and their affiliate programs. One day you might be happy that Amazon is paying 8% for their garden furniture. The next you'll be devastated because they slashed their rates to 3%. This can and does happen. There are things you can do to stop this from destroying your business, like diversifying your revenue streams. But at the end of the day, affiliate marketing will always have this problem. You just don't have the control. Scale. We think that affiliate marketing really shines here. In theory, you don't have to do anything different from referring one person to referring 100,000 people. If you have a website or a social media account that hits the sweet spot for organic traffic, then everything scales with it, and you'll most likely make considerably more money for no extra work. It also means you can work on scaling your business very simply. This doesn't require you to physically create new product or launch a new store. You simply increase the amount of content or whatever it is that brings in new viewers. Affiliate marketing does scale very well. This might also be why some people have succeeded in making multiple millions solo from their laptop. If they hit a good niche at a good time and create brilliant content, then there's a good chance that this can lead to huge returns. But unfortunately, this absolutely is not the norm. Time. Speaking of not being physically attached to the thing that you are selling, that also means you're not constrained with your time. If you can create a website that can exist without you, you are detached from it. Compare that to a lawyer or an SEO expert that offers a service. Those things require you to be there. The business can't exist without you. This means you would be attached to it, and ultimately attached to the time that it requires. So what we mean by passive income is that at some point there isn't a direct trade of your time for the money that you make. Instead, you create something that provides value, and then in the future that brings in money without you having to be there. You are detached from the money making process. That's what a realistic definition of a passive income is. It absolutely is not simply making money with nothing up front. And affiliate marketing does this very well. So there we have it, a more realistic look at what affiliate marketing is and why it's not quite what the TikTok gurus would have you believe. We do hope you found this useful and interesting. We do try to bring a more grounded look at this type of content, as it is important to remind ourselves exactly what it is we're dealing with. We're trying to build a community of like-minded people that want to learn and grow. So if you have made it this far and found it both interesting and useful, so please do consider subscribing or start a conversation in the comments below. And sincerely, thanks for watching. I'm back, baby. This means you are ultimately bam! That can exist without you. Oh, hello. This amounts. you might even. This does. Yes. Business can be summarized by the acronym. Acronym. And we think that you are at the mercy of the bad. But to refer 100,000 people. Oh boy, who's a pretty boy? Who's a pretty boy?